Hello friends, in this video we will discuss how to create the extrude command onto a circular section or onto a cylindrical section. So to start with, first of all we will go to the Creo command, Creo option, then the part file we will open. In part we will go to the option that is subtype. So here we can give the name. So for extrude on cylinder I will put it as the extrude cylinder as the name of file and the OK. Now if the default option is not on, here we can select the unit. So I have selected here that is MMNS part solid and click on OK button. So now we'll start with creating a cylindrical surface onto a top plane. So select the top plane, go to the sketch option. Now see, this is the sketch view, that is orient the section plane parallel to the screen. So click on the circle. So let us create a circle of diameter 100 mm. Now click OK. So if you go to the extrude option, it will give us the direction. Now let us take the height as 200. Okay. Now suppose you want to make this as like a pipe or hollow section, so you can simply click on the top surface and go to the option that is shell, perform shell modeling. So wall thickness you can give it from this side. So suppose wall thickness I want here as a 5 mm. So it is a uniform wall thickness of 5 mm from all the surface, all the sides, and click on the OK button. Now suppose to this section, cylindrical section, we want to create a external pipe or a joint. So let us see how to create the extrude or how to execute this extrude command onto a cylindrical surface. So simply for that, the best way I find out is that you can create a plane which is offset from the center plane. So go to the option that is plane. Now we want to offset it with reference to this plane. So see, the offset plane is created. Now it is taking the previous condition, that is of 20. So you can go to the different conditions. Suppose I will select here as 150 and now click on the OK button. Now let's create a circular section on this offset plane. Go to the option sketch and again sketch view. Now we can, on this axis anywhere, we can create a circle in this way. Now take its dimension as 40 mm, then click on OK button and simply go to the option that is extrude. So we can change always the direction of extrude, or we can reverse the direction of extrude, we can say it as in this way. Now again there are different options in this extrude command. Here on this top side you can see, so extrude from sketch plane by a specified depth value, or we can extrude on both sides. Suppose here if I click, so whatever the extrude value is there, it will get splitted on both the sides of the plane. And this is the option which we want to select, that is extrude up to next surface. So the extrude command is executed over the next surface. Now see what is the feature of it. If it is a cylindrical surface, it is not possible to create a circle onto this side and then extrude it, because it will be somewhat elliptical shape where there is a T-joint. So that's why we need to create a offset plane, and from that offset plane we need to extrude it up to the next surface. So that's why it will create then the proper joint. Now click on the OK option. Now suppose we want to make it as a hollow portion. So again we can select that plane, go to the option sketch view, again a circle suppose. Now here it is not taking the center of this side of this circle, so we can go to the option that is references, and in references select this curve. So automatically this center option will be visible. Now simply close this references window. Okay. Now again go to the circle option. Now see, it will pick up this center automatically, and now make this as suppose 30. Okay. Now the circle is created. Again we will go to the extrude option and make it reverse. Now if you want to create suppose a hollow pipe, so we can go to this option, and in that is the third option, extrude to intersect with all surface. So see what will happen, it will pass on to the next surface as well. So suppose we want to extrude it up to this surface only, so we will go extrude up to next surface. So only this up to this surface it is creating a hole, and click on this OK button. So see, in this video we have seen how to create a circular pipe or circular circular section cylinder, and how to execute the extrude command onto it. Now if you see this portion, or that is the line of contact, so it is not exactly a circle. So to achieve this exact what we can say dimension or exact extrude command, we need to create such a offset plane and then the extrude command up to the next surface. Again, if you go to this analysis option, we can measure the dimensions. So if we go to this diameter option and select it, so the diameter that is 90 mm. If you go to this, since initially we have selected the unit that is Newton second, so that's why the length dimension will appear in mm, and here the diameter again it is 30 mm. So in this way we can check whether the dimensions or final drawing that we have created is in correct dimension or not. So simply save it. Okay, thank you. Hello friends, in this video we will discuss how to create the extrude command onto a circular section or onto a cylindrical section. So to start with, first of all we will go to the Creo command, Creo option, then the part file we will open. In part we will go to the option that is subtype. So here we can give the name. So for extrude on cylinder I will put it as the extrude cylinder as the name of file.